Here we come to the mezzanine elevator at the Hotel Icon in downtown Houston, Texas. This is an Otis Series 1. Newer Series 1. I don't know what year this was installed, and there is music in the lobby, so anyways, thankfully the elevator's here, so I don't have to worry about talking over the music. And we got a loud fan. LL? Fan is so loud we can't even hear the motor well. Oh, this is like a staff floor. We don't want to be down here. Whoa. Kind of shook a little. Which side is it gonna open on? Opens right there. Okay, this is like a. Let's see where M opens to. I think this is like a service elevator or so. I didn't even know this is a service elevator. I can't believe I wrote this by accident. Oh, this goes into the mezzanine. Okay, so the only public floors would be only 1 and M. So B and 2 are all staff floors. They go into kitchen and stock rooms, but floors 1 and M are public. Okay, now I see where this elevator takes. This is definitely the mezzanine elevator. Okay, so this is technically, well, this is doubles as a service elevator, but technically this is a mezzanine elevator. Look at the design on the doors. I really like that. I'll let you watch that one more time. Hopefully it doesn't leave. I really want to get that effect. All right, we'll watch it close now, and that will be it.